How do you get dressed with ease? Here's a tip. Join my online program, How to Curate a Wardrobe You Love. This program is designed to walk you through the process of making powerful decisions. Decisions that will make a difference in your everyday life. Decisions that will make getting dressed easier. Decisions that will free up tons of mental space so you can focus on the more important things. Here's a decision I made years ago after reading Marie Kondo's book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. After reading about how to fold my clothes so that they look so pretty in my drawers and they don't take up so much space, here's what I learned. My panties are too small to fold. I decided then and there to never fold my panties again. Love it. I have a little box inside of my drawer and they just go in there. I just throw them in there. I never fold my panties. That one decision has freed up so much time. And it's no problem. I can always find what I need. It's very easy. When you're thinking about making decisions that are powerful, that is a decision that's powerful. That freed up so much of my time. Now, if you're curious if my online program would be a good fit for you, then just book a consultation call. It's free. We can have a conversation, and at the end, you will have made a powerful decision, whether it's right for you or not. I look forward to working with you inside of the program. We'll see you there.